Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Joycon Repair is probably one of the most essential tools for Nintendo Switch owners who want to extend the life of their controllers and avoid costly replacements. This video will take an in-depth look at a comprehensive Joycon Repair kit, examining its contents, ease of use, and overall effectiveness in fixing common Joycon problems such as stick drift, unresponsive buttons, and broken casings, empowering you to repair your controllers and save money. Number 5. LONANDY Joycon Repair Kit. Tired of drifting or broken joysticks? This kit has everything you need to get your Nintendo Switch controller working like new again. It's easy to use and comes with all the necessary tools. These aren't your average replacement joysticks. They're upgraded for improved performance and compatibility with your Nintendo Switch and Switch Lite. Get precise control back in your hands. Say goodbye to flimsy plastic buckles. These sturdy metal replacements ensure a secure fit and reduce the need for frequent repairs. They're built to last. The kit includes everything you need for a smooth repair. You'll find magnetic screwdrivers and extra screws to make the job easier and prevent loss. It's all here in one convenient package. Keep your joysticks looking and feeling great with these silicone caps. They protect against scratches and wear, providing a comfortable grip. They're soft, durable, and easy to install. We stand behind our product. If you have any questions or issues, contact us for support. We're here to help you every step of the way. Check out our YouTube tutorial for guidance. What we like. It boasts sturdy metal latch buckles for durability and longevity, ensuring it won't break easily. Plus, it comes with extra screws and thumb grips, saving you from potential future hassles. If you value a long-lasting, well-equipped repair kit, this is the one for you. What people say. It came with everything I needed: 2 joysticks, metal lock buckles, screwdrivers, thumb grips, pry tools, and tweezers. The instructions were clear and the tools were good quality. The new joysticks fit perfectly and worked well. They felt smooth and responsive, and the drift was gone. The metal lock buckles also made the Joy-Cons more secure on the Switch. It arrived quickly and included everything needed: high-quality tweezers, various screwdrivers, and a set of stylish joystick covers. The kit also features a convenient case that neatly holds all the tools and replacement parts, making organization and storage easy. The clear, detailed instructions made the repair straightforward, and I had the joystick fixed in just 15 minutes. Number 4. Gulikit Switch Joy-Con Replacement. These joysticks are designed for your Switch and Switch Lite consoles. They're built to solve common issues like drifting and poor sensitivity, giving you a much smoother gaming experience. Unlike traditional joysticks, these use a Hall effect sensor. This eliminates the drift problem, resulting in more precise and responsive controls, especially in fast-paced games. They're made with high-quality metal and plastic for durability. You'll get a sturdy and reliable replacement that's built to last. Everything you need for a successful repair is included: replacement joysticks, screws, screwdrivers, tweezers, and pry tools. It's a comprehensive kit for easy installation. We've created an easy-to-follow video tutorial to guide you through the installation process. Watch it before you begin for a seamless repair. We're dedicated to providing top-notch customer service. If you have any questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. This kit stands out with its superior Hall effect joystick, providing enhanced sensitivity and eliminating joystick drift. It also includes a comprehensive set of tools, making the repair process smooth and easy. If you prioritize precision and a seamless repair experience, this option is perfect for you. What people say. Yes, Hall effect joysticks are indeed confirmed as being far superior to the kind that we're used to. The sticks are a bit stiffer than the OEM ones, but you get used to it. Installation was surprisingly easy, even for someone who isn't very tech-savvy. The package includes all the necessary tools, which are actually quite useful, though I ended up using my own tools for the job. One standout feature is the grip cap that comes with the replacement. It's easy to use and provides a great grip, enhancing the overall gaming experience. A crucial tip for anyone installing this replacement: make sure to calibrate your joystick in the settings after installation. Number 3. Mcbazel 18-in-1 Joycon Kit. This kit provides everything you need to repair your Joy-Cons. It's packed with high-quality replacement parts and tools for a smooth repair process. It includes replacement analog sticks, charging port sliders, buckle locks, and sync button flex cables. These parts are designed to be durable and long-lasting. The buckle locks are made of alloy, making them more durable than the original plastic ones. They provide a secure fit and won't slip off during use. The kit comes with precision screwdrivers and other repair tools. A video guide is available by scanning the QR code on the box for step-by-step instructions. While the kit makes it easier, some technical skill is needed for installation. Please watch the video guide before starting the repair. Don't let broken Joy-Cons ruin your gaming experience. Get the Mcbazel 18-in-1 kit and get back in the game. What we like. This kit is a comprehensive solution, offering various replacement parts beyond joysticks. The alloy buckles are more durable than the original plastic ones. It also comes with easy-to-use tools and instructions. If you need a versatile kit with durable parts and straightforward installation, this is a great choice. What people say. This repair kit delivers exactly what it promises. One of my Joy-Cons had issues with the button sync and the SLSR buttons, which meant I couldn't use it individually. I decided to replace those components using this kit and went ahead and swapped out the joysticks too to fix the stick drift I'd been dealing with. Everything worked flawlessly afterward, and my Joy-Con feels like new. The kit includes everything you need, from screwdrivers to replacement parts, which made the process smooth. The kit has two sizes of screwdrivers, one for the 4 screws to open the Joy-Con, one for the inner smaller screws which is magnetic, which is very helpful with the small screws. It comes with ribbon wires connected to the outer connection rail, which you get too. Also 2 ribbons for the 4 small LEDs that you see on the inner connection rail. Both of these ribbons get very brittle when old, like mine were original Joy-Cons when the Switch came out. Kit comes with 2 joysticks as well. You can watch a YouTube to see what you need to do. It's not rocket science, but since the cables are all super small, if you're not good with small delicate things, this isn't for you. The right controller has a small antenna for the wireless connection, but the battery tray has 3 screws holding it down which you have to take off to get to the joysticks. The joysticks have 2 screws which is easy to replace. Cracking open a controller and replacing the joystick was very satisfying. Worked like a charm, very responsive. Didn't have to calibrate anything to get up and running in no time. Plus now I have another joystick and all the other components for repairs if I ever needed it. Number 2. Gulikit Switch Thumb Stick. This joystick is specifically designed for your Switch console, offering a superior gaming experience. It's compatible with both left and right Joy-Con controllers, solving common issues like drifting and insensitivity. Unlike traditional joysticks, it uses a Hall effect sensor. This eliminates the drift problem at its source, providing precise and reliable control, especially beneficial for fast-paced games. We've designed various joystick types and hold patents for our unique technology. It's completely independently developed, ensuring high quality and performance. These replacement joysticks are made with high-quality metal and plastic for long-lasting use. They're built to withstand even the most intense gaming sessions. The kit includes 2 pairs of replacement joysticks, all the necessary tools for installation, and even extra joystick caps. We've got you covered. Upgrade your gaming experience today with the Gulikit Hall Effect joystick. Contact us if you have any questions, we're here to help. What we like. It features a high-sensitivity Hall Effect joystick designed by Gulikit, renowned for quality and performance. This ensures a superior gaming experience free from drift. If you're a serious gamer seeking top-tier performance, this is the kit for you. What people say. The installation was perfect and works exactly as described. Very satisfied with the results. Very nice build quality and worked perfectly on first install. Great price, comes with everything you need plus tools. Even extra screws in case you drop the originals. Number 1. Switch Joycon Repair Kit. Is your Nintendo Switch controller drifting or unresponsive? Don't worry, we have the perfect solution. This kit contains everything you need to fix your Joy-Cons, including high-quality replacement joysticks and all the necessary tools. It's simple to install, the kit includes easy-to-follow instructions and all the tools you'll need. You'll be gaming again in no time. These replacement joysticks are true OEM quality, solving drift, dead zones, and other common issues. It's like getting a brand new controller. This kit comes with everything you need: replacement joysticks, Y1.5 and plus 1.5 screwdrivers, tweezers, and pry tools. No need to buy anything else. Repairing your Joy-Cons is far more affordable than buying a new controller. Get it fixed and back in action quickly. We stand behind our product. If you're not satisfied within 90 days, contact us for a hassle-free resolution. Remember to calibrate your Joy-Cons through your Nintendo Switch settings after installation for optimal performance. What we like. This kit uses true OEM joysticks, guaranteeing quality and a perfect fit. It includes all the necessary tools for a smooth repair, saving you time and effort. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use kit with high-quality parts, this is the one for you. What people say. The tools provided to help fix my drift issue worked wonders. The prying tools helped me pop some of the things that was difficult out, and the tweezers definitely helped keep a good grip on some of the more delicate parts that I needed to remove carefully to replace the joysticks. The part provided is pretty simple to install too, so it definitely was not an issue for me. After resetting the controller to factory default and testing it, it worked out really well. It had a nice click when pressing down, and the thumb grip felt a lot more comfortable than the original stick somehow. Really great kit. Came with 100% of the parts and tools you need, and worked great once I finished reassembly. This fixed the drift issue with my Switch Joy-Con. Easy to use this kit to disassemble and replace the offending joystick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.